Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a really beautiful shelving unit to help organize your countertops, this one from Homode is absolutely stunning. I love this shelf because it is extremely versatile. You can use it really beautifully in a corner countertop area, or you can also straighten it out and use the multi-level system that way. I love that this can be used to clear the clutter on my countertops, but I can also use it as a beautiful display. I love having it on my kitchen island to really just help elevate my plants, but I also like to put it in the corner of my countertop to make it really easy for me to access my most commonly used spices and use it as a decor piece that way. This shelf has a beautiful black wood grain look, and it's just absolutely stunning and very sleek. I love the dark contrast against my lighter countertops and backsplash. I think it really just makes it stand out. I really was impressed at just how sturdy this is too. Even the design of the legs and the screws at a slight angle add to the additional sturdiness of this shelving unit. I really love the multi-level design. I'm able to really create whatever look I want using each level in a different way. This could be used in the kitchen as I have it, but it can also be very conveniently used in a bathroom or other area to just help give you a little bit more space. It clears the clutter, but adds a beautiful touch to your space as well. This 3-tier shelf is top-notch in design and a beautiful quality, and that's just my point of view.